the app I created, which is called Neuron 5.0, and it's used for productivity and note taking. It's done. First you have to give first name, last name. Because I have already created an account, I just log in. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and you can add contacts. These are just default contacts. You can add data tables, task boards, calendar, graph view, and settings. You can even use variables as well. There are a few themes: oceanic, forest, and default. You can have dark mode or light mode. I like dark mode, so I'll keep it that way. Now these are webhooks, those. You can send notes via webhooks. Okay, so you can export the whole thing or import your Obsidian or raw message notes as well. Now let's create something from scratch. This is the note that I created. Now if we take atom, atoms, protons, and lastly electrons. Okay, so in the atom node, let's just create this. You have to have the same node names in here. So consists of protons, neutrons, and now these are connected together. You can see neutrons is a subpin in the atom, and these are subparticles of the atom. This is the atom itself, atom node itself. So I hope you got it. That's how you take notes and make notes in this Neuron application. So there's a tagging error, you can see. Now you can even get it to compose with AI or AI summarize. Markdown to data table as well, you can do that. You can export to PDF like this. And the way you see this will be like this. These are the notes that you can actually click on and see. So here it this. So I hope you got it. Now when you take contacts, you can import from the VCF files. You might know that you can export contacts as VCF files. So let me just get another one. Okay, 6 new contacts. And there's another thing that you can do with it. You can just make a markdown table here. I'll create a markdown table and come with it. Just table. Okay, now you have to do like this. And to create a table. Okay, now the table is created. Now you have to add something. Okay, I'll add X, Y, Z. And A, C. Okay, so this is the table that we have. You can just export to print, export to MD. Here we are going to use this function, markdown to table. Now this table is created. Can you see? Now these things you can just edit out if you want. You can just send this to the books if you want as well. Now you can just say a date in natural language. 2nd 2025. Okay, so this one unpublished or published status. You can just publish anything like this in your social media, for example. Airtime is empty. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for the data tables. Taskboards. You can create a to-do list here if you want, or anything else other than that as well. A new list. A new list. In progress. And new list. Done. Now I'll add a task for the to-do list, and it would be back up notes. You can back up notes here as well. Now in progress, here, you can put it here. If it is done, you can put it here. That's how it works. And then the calendar will show you the notes you worked on in that day as well. So today I worked on atoms, electrons, neutrons, protons, so it's here already. And we can write any journal entry here. Now what if I write about something? My cat is fine now, and I can save the entry. And if you go to another one, you can see that this is a little bit colored. That is because there's an entry here. Okay, if we take another day, my cat got sick this day, and save it, and you might see that color changes a little bit because there's an entry there. So for today it's like this. Okay, and in the graph view I showed you settings. Yeah, I showed you that also. You can just export all workspace data like this. It will pop up here. You don't have to worry about anything missing or anything like that. You can have backups regularly, unlike in other softwares. So I hope that you find it useful. So see ya.